Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Events Bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar type in www.eventsbank.com and click on enter. Now you will be directed to the official homepage of Events Bank. At the top right corner, you will see a login button. Click on it. After that, you will be directed to the login page. Now type in your username here. Then click on continue button. After clicking on continue button, click on this button which says continue with security code. When you click on this button, the bank will call or send you a text message and ask you to enter a one-time code. Then you can log into your Events Bank account. Or if you want to log in with a different username, click on this link and follow the procedure. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.